TigerStop introduces Dynamic Pack Optimization, a powerful new software that allows you to nest your packs or bundles of material to get the greatest yield. Using our world-class patented algorithm, the Dynamic Pack Optimization software tells the operator how many pieces of stock to bundle together in the pack, resulting in the best yield and productivity while preventing overcutting. Rather than nesting a single piece of stock at a time, TigerStop's Dynamic Pack Optimization optimizes entire packs or bundles of like-profiled material quickly and accurately. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and load a pack optimized list. What this allows us to do is load a full pack. So we're going to tell it our stock length, and then it's going to come up with a profile. Now you can either preload your profile or edit here, and it'll ask us how many times or how many parts we can enter in. So we can say 12, or we can say 25 or 20 or whatever it is that we can fit in our pack size. Once it does that, it'll actually tell us how many to load to get an optimized pack list. So after you enter your stock length in and you press start, it's gonna tell you your load pack size. So that's how many pieces of full stock length that you want to put up. It may not tell us to load the full amount. So if we can load 12, it's not always going to tell us 12. It'll cut as many as we can load in there, but we're also looking to get optimal yield. So as your cut list progresses, it's going to change the amount that you load in to get that best optimal yield. So now it's telling us to run 10, and we can see our yield results here as we're running through. This gives your operator less thinking to do to get the most optimal yield out of the material that you have. All he has to do is enter in the stock length and follow the instructions on the load pack size, and you'll be throwing away less material at the end of the day. So our total yield on that run was 98.1. We've got one remnant of 6.3 feet left over. So that is our brand new optimization software, Dynamic Pack Optimization, available as an upgrade for TigerTouch. If you're interested in using it to improve your yield, please contact us.